Okay, I'm going to go back in and do a little more airbrushing to round it out. And remember, the colors do dry a little bit darker. So I want to kind of like bring this line together and flesh this out and make it more round. So I'm spraying in this area. Okay. And I'm going to kind of point up a little. Oh, I'm running out of stuff. So it takes kind of a delicate touch. You want to kind of pull back a little to try to make a nice even graduation of color. But see, you don't want to do this all at once because it'll start running. You want to like sort of build it up, but you can see how it's kind of round here. It looks nice. And this is the shadow coming off his hat. He's looking pretty good. At the same time, you don't want to overdo it. You want to let it dry a little, and then it'll get darkened up. We've got a little bit more to do on his boots. Okay, that about wraps that up. Whoa. Yeah, a little bit more here. I think that about does it. So let this dry, and then I'm going to spray it again, and then I'm going to do the highlights with the airbrush. Let's rinse this out a little. Okay. Let's take a blow dryer to this.